Yeah, so sticking with Zuckerberg for a second, he recently told staff that Meta is in, this is the quote, deep philosophical competition with Apple to build the metaverse. Not a huge fan of Apple. I wouldn't think. I don't know. The beef over privacy, advertising, Instagram, so on and so forth. That may lead you into a philosophical competition for who controls what. Obviously, Apple's system is fairly closed, and he's saying ours will be open, and that's the philosophical difference. He said Meta will try to build more open metaverse tech. The word metaverse, borrowed from science fiction, hypothetical version of the internet, accessed via immersive technologies like VR and AR. We're approaching this in an open way and trying to build a more open ecosystem. Meta is trying to make its metaverse tech compatible with Android phones as well. He also stated Apple will create a closed ecosystem for its metaverse tech, and Meta will try to be more open. So, in other words, if people adopt Apple's version of the internet, privacy-focused, closed ecosystem, dependent upon a variety of hardware devices and software applications and accounts that are associated in one world and less interactive with the external world. Or you can imagine Facebook's version, at least the way they're propositioning it here, which is more like the current internet where there's many things plugged into it. Although I don't know why we would assume that they would be the right people to build that. Because I see all types of complaints happening right now on changes happening over at Instagram. They're like, what's up with Instagram? Instagram's just like another TikTok. That's what everyone's saying to me. It's like, why do I have 2 TikTok apps on my phone now? Because if you recall, and everyone's nostalgic, and they say, remember when I used to open Instagram and see a photo from a friend? No, you ain't seeing that now.
You see a TikTok.
That thing been gone a long time. Your friends? What friends?
Yeah.
You have friends?
TikToks.
You have friends on the internet? What? Where are they?
Yeah.
Are they, unless they're influencers, they're bye-bye, because it doesn't seem like an inviting place for the regular people to interact at the moment. Well, everybody got spooked by the TikTok stuff and started, doing what they did. But anyway, listen, we basically deliver our devices at cost or at slight subsidy. Getting back to this MetaQuest 2, this is Zuckerberg talking, or slightly more than cost in some cases. But the bottom line is our business is not primarily taking a premium on the devices. We want as many people to be interacting in there as possible. Part of that is having it an open ecosystem that's interoperable. Now, they would be saying, okay, and here's how we pay for that. We don't make as much money on the devices, so there's advertising that takes place. Well, there's your philosophical difference. It's Google and Apple, Facebook and Apple, whoever you want to compare to Apple. Apple, they'll just make boatloads of money on the closed ecosystem, the hardware devices that let you access it, and then whatever accounts you have associated with it, whether it be for news or entertainment or books or whatever else. So yeah, it's a philosophical difference. I don't know that one will specifically win out or that you will have this variety just like we do in the tech space currently, but he's in tight right now to create stuff quickly as the world seems to be crumbling around him in many ways.